Good morning. Today we must discuss about 319 CRPC, 232, 255, 353, 354, 360. The court, after conducting trial for offences of narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances case, seems to have initially conducted a trial for against 11 accused. Subsequently, they filed 311 CRPC to recall PW4 and PW5. By recalling the evidence, the person Sukhpal Singh Kaira was found to be an main accused involved. Therefore, they have summoned the accused. Against that, they went to High Court, and thereafter the Supreme Court has given some guidelines. Most important thing is what all are these sections. 319 CRPC, power to proceed against other persons appearing to be guilty of offences. Actually, what happens, youngsters used to rush to the court if any charge sheet is filed without implying necessary party. Still, you have got power at the time of examination of the evidence. You can substantiate the evidence and claim that the other accused also involved, the investigating officer not implicated them as an accused. Therefore, at that time the court can invoke section 319 CRPC. 319 CRPC to add an additional accused. Thereafter, you see what will be the stage. So 353 regarding judgment, how the judgment should be dictated. Then question of 354, language and contents of judgment. Then finally the court has given some directions how to add further accused. They say if it is conviction, mere pronouncing that the accused are found guilty does not imply that the trial is over. The Supreme Court says no, trial is yet to be over because the sentence has to be passed. Therefore, they have given some multi-number of guidelines. They say if the court finds under section 319 CRPC, if any involvement of any accused, any stage of trial before passing the order on acquittal or sentence, it shall pass the trial at that stage. Thereafter, they are given various logical finding that if they want to continue the trial along with the other accused, you can do it, or you can separate the trial. What all are the provisions they have mentioned? Kindly go through that. But for the purpose of bar exam, for purpose of judges examination, you must go through the entirety of judgment and we understand the every direction issued by the Supreme Court. All directions seems to be logical and practical. And the ratio, major ratio is the Supreme Court held that only on pronouncement of acquittal and sentence, not conviction, the trial did not complete. Therefore, they say you have to these directions may be followed to implead co-accused or main accused, whoever may be subsequently as an additional accused on perusal of the evidence. So most important thing, I hope you understand best.